We are Bridge Solutions, and we are a team of 7 graduating seniors that develop design solutions for the University of Tennessee Facilities and Services Department. Our project involves the design of 2 new separate pedestrian bridges that cross Second Creek on the campus of the University of Tennessee.
One challenging aspect of this project was the constraints at the Boathouse Bridge. The bridge has several existing structures overhead, including Kneeling Drive and a railroad bridge, that had to be considered for design and constructability. These obstacles affected the size and number of cranes required for installing the new bridge. The existing infrastructure obstructed access to the site and increased the distance the construction equipment had to span. The constraints at the Boathouse Bridge demonstrated that not only do engineers need to provide a design that makes sense for the client, but it is also important to ensure that the design can actually be built.
When we first heard about this project, the location of the bridge and the utilization just didn't seem high enough to justify the potential costs. But we hosted forums where we talked with members of the community that included students and faculty, and we received feedback which helped show us the need for the bridge. We found out that during high traffic events, the traffic light and the crosswalk is disabled for pedestrians. So the bridge under Kneeling Drive would be the only way to safely cross the street. This is a huge safety concern and liability for the university because the university is constantly hosting concerts and sporting events. The people that go to these events and support these teams should have a safe way to cross the street. This bridge greatly improves the safety for those crossing Kneeling Drive, and the construction of this bridge will definitely benefit Greenway users, students, faculty, and UT fans.
Throughout my time in senior design, I have really understood that working with my fellow peers as a team has really shown me the personal relationships that come with that. It's also helped show me how different disciplines of civil engineering work together. Throughout my time here in senior design, I have enjoyed how my team would provide a friendly environment where we could joke around with each other and also be professional. All my team members throughout these last 2 semesters were very helpful with assisting one another, which made for even greater time here in senior design.
I started working on this project, I expected to gain a deeper understanding of what it meant to be a civil engineer. What I didn't expect is the impact that people I worked with would have on me. A prime example of this would be one of my mentors, Jason Patterson. I was working on my HECRES model and I could not figure out why my streams profile wasn't working. After hitting a few dead ends, I reached out to a civil engineer at my church who put me in contact with Jason. I explained my situation to him and he was happy to help. Not only did he fix my profile, but he met with me several times over the next couple of weeks, taking time away from his work and family to give me guidance on my project. This was especially impacting to me because he did not ask to help me, yet he made his own sacrifices to ensure I was successful. This is what CE400 has meant to me. I apply my technical skills to ensure that I positively impact people indirectly through the projects I work on and directly through the people I work with.